In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will create new Salesforce cases based on the new emails received in Gmail. So let's start. Select Gmail as a trigger. Then choose Get Email as a trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the label, in this case Inbox. Now, in steps, we have to create a new case in Salesforce. For that, select Salesforce, choose Create Record as Action, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, please choose Case as an object, select Priority, enter the description using Gmail app data, select Case Origin as Web, enter the subject using Gmail app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and start your journey. Now let's check the output. Let's go to Gmail, compose an email, type in your subject, provide the body for the email, send it. Go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Salesforce. We can see a new case created in Salesforce. In this way, we can create an automation journey to create new Salesforce cases based on new emails in Gmail. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.